Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's Mariah Marie. Happy Juneteenth to everybody out there that's celebrating, and whoever's not still, happy Juneteenth. Right now I'm finna go out and I don't know what I'm finna do, but I'm gonna find something to do because I know there's festivals and stuff all over. If not, I'm gonna just go get something good to eat, and I wanted to bring y'all along with me. I don't even wear glasses like this, y'all know this is not my style, but I had these glasses for like 5 years, so I want to bust them out for the fit. Finna bring y'all along with me, and that's enough talking. Hey y'all, we at Jack London Square, I believe. We're gonna go eat at chicken waffles because I was just like, I want something good to eat. He wanted to eat the same thing too. Great minds think alike. We're walking around right now. There's a waterfront over here, so we wanted to go look at the marina or the bay or whatever. Yeah. Y'all, it's so beautiful today. Ain't nobody really here.
Wait, you go to there?
No, I shouldn't, huh? Look at ours red.
Huh?
You want to ride the scooters? Ooh, the water is so pretty.
Who's on that statue right now?
You give me $100 if I can name who's on that statue?
Yep.
But this is Thomas Jefferson. Is it? Who is this?
No.
Who is it?
No, it's not. No.
Who is it?
Let's see.
Wentworth.
Straight.
What are you talking about? I mean, you don't even know who that person was talking about. I'll give you $100 if you know who that person is.
I thought you knew.
Because you knew. You don't even know. I want this one. You want this one? Or you want a different booth? Hey. Hey y'all. We are at Chicken and Waffles right now, and it was a long way because a lot of other people off of work. Thank God. Hopefully the food still tastes good. If it don't taste good, I'm gonna be upset. I don't know what to do. Oh, they got 2 delicious waffles with strawberry topping and whipped cream. I don't want all that. Got a Big Daddy. A Big Daddy?
Wait, is it like what we can share?
No, I don't want no black eyed peas.
Damn.
Oh, that's daily lunch specials, okay. I'm giving onions and 2 delicious waffles. But I want 2 waffles as well.
Yeah, getting that. I want 2 on the seat.
But I was saying 4-piece chicken, you can have 2, I can have 2.
No, I'm not.
You gonna eat it all?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Hella fine. Oh, right here. Keith's Tackle. 2 chicken wings, 1 delicious waffle with mac and cheese. But it's 1 waffle. Yeah, I want that. What are you getting?
I want 2 waffles and just wings.
Okay, you can ask me for that. Y'all, we were waiting for our food for a minute. I'm hungry as fuck. Like, my stomach's under ground. We've been asking for lemon in our water for like 3 times already, and they still didn't bring it. I am hungry. They bring food. I don't know. That's not ours. Y'all, we got our food. This look good. My shit look busting. Stop, I ain't even getting none yet. Can you wait? Let me see what it's here for. Ooh, it's cheesy. I know y'all seen that. It's cool. It's good. I ain't gonna lie.
First of all, look, you see this? You see the whole thing? This is my followers.
But yeah, I don't know how to eat waffles. I've been eating waffles my whole life. I don't even really like pancakes. I love waffles. Where the hot sauce?
Everything really?
Oh, that's hot sauce? Okay. I only got 1 waffle. He got 2. I don't need all that.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said.
Yeah, why you eat your chicken?
No, because of my chicken, that's your own chicken. See that, y'all? You trying to steal my stuff? I'm finna steal your syrup.
Yo, well, you buzzing.
I don't have no more. I'm right now.
It's your fault.
Let's make me.
You good?
You have your own.
Oops.
But you put some on chicken too.
That you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one.
Y'all, why you trying to double my tip? Like, boy, boy. Stop trying to be like me. How would you rate your food? How would you rate your food?
Oh, 2.
10?
Yeah. 9.
Nah, a 9.
Yeah.
9. They just, like, they didn't have any workers, and they do it's not bringing us our limit. But we're gonna pay parking, and we're gonna go home.
Why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit, and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you.
Look what my dad is making me do. I look like a fat, puffy person. Like, look at me. I look crazy. And I have ice cream and nerds. But, got kind of candy ice cream. But I brought my pomegranate lemonade because it was really good. And I did not want to open no soda in there.
That precedes the dawn of our civilization. Entire planets as fuel. And he sent his most powerful henchmen to collect it. Scourge.
Hey y'all, so I'm back from the movie and I want to say I rated it like a 9 out of 10. It was just too much action for me. I feel like I complain about every little thing I do, eat, see, or watch. It was a really good movie. I really enjoyed it. It was really sentimental. I think they're gonna make a part 2 of what's going on. Let me just talk to y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna go to bed. I got work tomorrow.
Several days later.
Hey y'all, so today I'm gonna be walking or going to the gym. I don't know, I just wanted to bring y'all along with me. Do not mind my lashes. I had made me a little acai bowl, but I put my own granola in it. Birthday cake flavored. And he mad because I didn't put that flavor in his. I just gave him the regular granola. I didn't know everybody was gonna like birthday cake. Everybody be saying that shit was sweet or nasty, so why would I do that? But anyways, I'm gonna bring y'all along. I'll walk. And yeah. Y'all, we just had a good workout. We walked up a hill by my house for like 30 minutes, or like 45 really. And then we came to the gym for 51 minutes. So proud of us because we have never worked out this long together. Hey girlies, so I'm at home currently. I got to join a Zoom at 3 o'clock. It's currently 2:45 p.m. Zoom is for this clinical shadowing program I got accepted to. I didn't get accepted into any internships, but I'm glad I got accepted into this program because at least it'll show like my interest more into medical school. I keep thinking like I'm on the wrong track because I don't have no internships. I'm not getting no research, but it's like everybody's track is differently. I gotta keep reminding myself like what's meant for me will be for me. I'm in my own race, at my own pace. I actually get hands-on experience dealing with patients every day and hours for medical school, so it's like I'm really not on the wrong track. I'm on the right track. I don't know, maybe this is where God wanted me to be. Yeah, I'm grateful at the end of the day. Thank you for everything that you're doing up there. Keep doing it. But how was y'all day? I feel like I never asked y'all about y'all. Y'all can leave some comments down below. Tell me about yourselves or whatnot. I just wanted to let y'all know that. I got home and what my plans are for this summer and like I guess for future goals. I'm gonna just start to after my meeting. Hey y'all, so it's the next day and me and my dad are gonna go on a road trip. We're gonna come home tomorrow night. I don't really know where we're going. I don't really remember the places, but we're gonna be stopping by waterfalls, trying to swim at the ocean. Probably go hiking, try some new food places, visit some cities we've never seen before. Pink bubblegum skims right now. I know y'all seen this in my Disneyland vlog. If y'all have not seen that, go check it out. I'm gonna be on the road in a minute. It's packed my bag and everything. Come on with me and let's have a road trip. Hey y'all, I'm in the car right now. I figured out our first like origin point, destination, location that we're gonna be heading to. It has the river over there or the water or ocean and it's called Point Reyes. I ain't never been there, so I'm down to go see it. Right now we're at the taco truck. You know, Californians gotta get some tacos before you go anywhere. That's just mandatory. We're only getting one taco to just have something in our stomach because my dad was like, he don't want to get full before we get to Point Reyes, so we can try the food that they got out there. That's fine with me. I love tacos anyways, and I'm not really hungry, so at least I'm have something in my stomach. But I'm finna just talk to y'all on the way there, or like show y'all the view and whatnot. Them tacos are 10 out of 10. Ah, the seats are burning me. Because it was going to take too long to get to Point Reyes, so we're going to go there tomorrow and also go horseback riding for 4th of July weekend. Look at my oysters, they just smell so good. Hey, I don't think these are cooked. It's good. I do not like the texture, but it's good. It's good, but I don't like the texture. When they're charbroiled, they're different. Give it a 7 out of 10 because the slime. How would you rate your food?
5 average.
Oh my gosh, look at the water.
Stop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing tootsie slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Night, I keep the koala in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattooed that. I'm a lover boy. She love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. Just that roll myself a count my figures. Just that stepping out, I feel like I'm that. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna.
Y'all, the sand is so warm.
Be who you wanna be. But I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
We're building a cabana.
Sure.
This is the front because there's no zippers in the back.
That's it. Zip it all the way up.
Welcome to my crib. It's so cold. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh!
Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. know that he alive. Fake niggas mad, snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he arrived. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty.
Hey y'all, I look crazy. I'm exhausted. We just went to a restaurant that was like old-fashioned style. It was cool. It wasn't too bad, but the campsite that we just went to was full, so we just found some regular campsite and now we're just staying there. And it's like off the water, so at least we just wake up to the water. But I'm just really exhausted and ready to go home, to be honest. My skin is not looking great. I look like a little spider. Let me just talk to y'all probably tomorrow and call it a night.
In the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle, nigga. Yeah. It's beauty in the struggle, ugliness in the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less.
Y'all, that's our wood. We're gonna use this. We brought a tent, but this is just easier to setting up a tent. You see the other people over there and stuff.
Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time?
Hey y'all, it's money time. We're getting ready to leave. We're gonna get some breakfast from this bakery down the street, and then we're gonna go. We're on our way to be horseback riding, but I'm gonna show y'all the water because it's so pretty now. They got a bunch of games. They got foosball.
No, I think
Guys, it's so nice in here. And it smells like coffee. You guys, we just stopped because we found seals. Oh my goodness. Look at those people. Look at those people. Hey y'all, we found a farmer's market and we're about to go check it out.
Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I couldn't like hands and so. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a nine in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope.
Some pastries and fruits, and now we're gonna be on the way to the horseback riding place. Hey y'all, so we just got to the horse stables. I just brushed my hair a little bit. I didn't do it today, but brushed it down because it was like coming up again. But we just got to the horse stables, gonna ride some horses, have some fun, and then we're gonna go home and take a shower because y'all, I need to take a shower. There's no showers over here. Probably not really talk to y'all because I'm being on horses and whatnot, but I'm gonna bring y'all along. Hi. I said it's stinky. It smells like a zoo. Oh, there's more over here, y'all. My horse, name is Skipper. That's my dad's horse, Tintin. Daddy, say hi. There we go. Y'all, I'm on a horse. My dad is always stuck back there. His horse goes heck of slow. And we're back. How would you rate your experience?
It was great.
Out of 10.
9 out of 10.
What?
It was fun.
Y'all, and I would rate it a 9 out of 10. I don't know what I was expecting, but it was really fun, really hot, and really cool at the same time because there was like a breeze. But I had a great time. You had a great time?
I had a great time.
Hey y'all, so I'm back over as y'all can see. It was a really fun, great experience with my dad this weekend. Little daughter, father, bonding time. I love when I get to do that with both of my parents. Like, it's just fun. And you know, everything be free. So No, I'm just playing. But yeah, I had a great time this weekend. He wanted to go to Stanton Beach on our way home, but I did not want to go to more beaches. Like, I have been seeing the water all day long. I listen to white noise 24/7, so I just wanted to go home and take a shower because I'm sticky, yucky, dicky. No, sticky, yucky, dirty. That's what I meant to say. But I'm gonna go take a shower. Hey y'all, I'm gonna show y'all my hair reverting from straight to curly because why not? I'm using Aussie Moist. That's my grandma in the back. And then I'm gonna be putting in the Miel oil and water. It's free. This hair clip, I'm gonna like clip up my hair, wait like 15 to 30 minutes, and then take a shower. There we go. Hey y'all, I look a little tan, but I love it. Shoot, if y'all hear a noise, that's my air purifier. I'll be using it as a fan because I don't feel like bringing that big fan out. This is what my curls look like after I finger coiled it and washed it. I'm finna go to Ross with my cousin. I gotta get something for my grandma. Hey y'all, me and my cousin, we in Ross right now looking for some t-shirts for her.
Don't want nothing ugly.
This one? It says choose kindness. No, you don't. It's simple.
It is, but I want something cute.
Hey y'all, I just wanted to give y'all a proper outro because recently I haven't been like giving y'all a proper outro, but just want to say that's the end of this video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, and subscribe for more and stay tuned for the next video.